Greetings, fellow human. I hope you're having a super fantastic-rifical day. My name is Barron, and in today's video, we're talking about the new a6400 from Sony. We're going to talk about stuff that nobody else is talking about. There's secret things. There's not really that secret, but we're going to talk about them. Yeah. So if you're watching this video, then you probably already know that Sony just recently announced the new a6400. It is a APS-C body thing, entry-level thing. This is not an a6400. This is an a6000. This one's old, but, you know, they look the same. So I have one as a prop. It's proppy. It's a proper prop. You gotta give me props for that. There are a ton of other videos out there that already go over all of the specs in detail, so I don't need to do that here. But I do want to talk about some of the big things and some things that nobody else is talking about. So Sony finally put a screen that flips all the way up and you can see yourself while you're filming, but then they also put that so that the microphone would be right there, so you can't actually see the screen, you just see your microphone, and then it's weird. It's like they weren't paying attention to their own design. It's got a microphone input so you can plug in the microphone that's going to block your screen, but it does not have a headphone output so you can't hear what you're recording when you can't see the screen through your microphone. It can do time lapses, you know, just in the camera. You don't have to get an app or anything. Wow, that's crazy. It's amazing. It's like, you know, every other camera manufacturer has been doing that forever. Like, seriously. Yay, they're doing a thing that they used to do, only now it's just better than it used to be. Isn't that what's supposed to happen when you get a new camera? It's supposed to be better than the last one? It can autofocus, and it can autofocus better than the previous cameras in the lineup. It autofocuses better than this one. But, you know, that's, again, what is supposed to happen when you get, you know, an updated version. It's supposed to be better than the previous version, so I don't know why we're excited. I would expect it. I'd be pissed if it wasn't better. It needs to be better. So, yay for it being better. Okay, so that's the big stuff out of the way. Now let's talk about some stuff that people aren't talking about at all, or not very much. So there have been a few people that have pointed out that there is no 30-minute time limit when you are recording a clip, which is amazing. Why isn't everybody, like, super excited about this? This is a big deal. Like, you can actually record until your card is full. It only has one card slot, but you can record until that one card is full. You put a big enough card in there, you can record for a minute. But not having that 30-minute time limit isn't going to help you very much if your battery is still this stupid, tiny little itty-bitty chiclet-looking thing. But at the press announcement doohickey thing, the vice president of Sony US guy, he actually said that you can power the camera through the USB-C indefinitely. You can plug up a power bank through that. You can plug it into the wall with the right converter things. He said it. Here, I'll show you.
The camera can be powered via an external USB battery and extended and even shoots silently.
And as far as I'm concerned, that's the only really exciting feature about this camera. It makes me think that the a6400 might be the perfect gimbal camera for a lot of situations. I mean, think about it. You got a camera that's this size that you can power through USB-C. You can actually, in a lot of these gimbals now, you can actually power the camera from the gimbal. That is a huge battery in that gimbal, and it'll power the camera. So you have this little tiny camera, which will balance incredibly well, and you don't have to worry about your IBIS not being in it because you'll be on a gimbal. And it lasts forever. You could shoot all day on a gimbal. It'd be great. And the other thing that nobody seems to be talking about is the fact that Sony is completely replacing their image transfer app thing, that Play Memories thing that nobody likes. They are completely replacing it with a brand new app that supposedly is actually going to be good. And, you know, it doesn't even have to be good as long as it's better than the last one, because the app for these guys is terrible. It's stupid. It's like, it's embarrassing. It's embarrassing, Sony. Stop embarrassing yourself. The fact that all of the marketing seems to be saying that this is the camera for vloggers makes me think that Sony has no real understanding of vloggers, and because it's kind of insulting to them. If I was a vlogger, I'd be insulted if I was told that this camera is the perfect vlogging camera. You have a flip-up screen, but you won't be able to see it because you'll have a microphone in front of it. And, you know, vloggers, they like to have good audio because, you know, you gotta hear what you're saying. And there's no IBIS. And, you know, a good chunk of vloggers, you know, they actually film themselves while they're in motion. And if there's no IBIS, then it's going to be super shaky. So then they'd have to put it on a gimbal, and maybe they don't want to carry around a gimbal. It's kind of like, you know, taking options away from them instead of giving them the tool that they need to make better content. I don't know, Sony, that's kind of insulting. Maybe you should say, it's the perfect beginning vlogger's camera. Actually, I think that would really frustrate beginners. If you're an experienced vlogger, then maybe you know what you're doing a little bit more and you kind of know what you're getting into. It might be an okay decision if you're upgrading from something that isn't doing the job for you. Maybe it's better, but I think there's better options out there for less money, or at least comparable money. I don't want to sound like I'm totally bashing on the camera, because I'm not. I'm kind of interested. I'm curious about what it might actually be like to use it. Like, I've had this guy for years and I'm very familiar with it. I use it all the time. I'm always frustrated with it, but I still use it. It's a testament to how good a piece of gear this is that even as frustrated as I get with the camera, I still have it. I still keep it. I didn't trade this in for something else. This didn't go, you know, suddenly turn into a Canon. No, I still use this Sony, so I kind of want to get my hands on it and play around with it, put it through its paces, so to speak. Hey, you know what? If any of you want to see me do a full review on this camera as soon as I can get my hands on it, let me know if you want to see that. Put your comment in the video pants, and I'll see if I can get a hold of it. If enough people want to see it, I'll look into that. That might be fun. Yeah. Also, I'm really curious on what everybody else is thinking about this. Or is this a camera that you're actually excited about? Am I being too harsh about it? Let me know in the video pants. Put your comment down there. And if you want to see, you know, more videos like this, I do a video every week. You know, most of the time I try and do it on Mondays, but there's no guarantee. At least once a week, though. That much I can guarantee. And if you like this and you want to see more on this channel, you can do the thing where you subscribe and you gotta ring the bell. Gotta ring it. And you know what? I'm gonna leave it right there. And you know, I'm gonna have a good day. And I want you to have a good day too. Because you deserve it. Good on you.